Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make date syrup using date fruits, so please keep watching. Dates are chewy with a sweet flavor. They are also high in some important nutrients and have a variety of advantages and uses. So to achieve this, get your dried dates, remove the seeds, pour it into a pot or container. Add some water to cover to the top. Allow to soak for 1 to 2 hours or soak overnight. After soaking, place pot on the stove on low heat. Cover and cook until very tender. Guys, did you notice the changes in appearance after soaking the dates? That eases the cooking process. So this is very important. Your dates should be looking like this after cooking. You can see how soft and tender it is. So I'm going to be using a matcher to match the dates. You can as well use your hands to match it. Next, get a good strainer or a cheesecloth and strain out the liquid. Guys, this is what we've got. You can see the golden brown, that is the date syrup. And here is the chaff. Most people blend into smoothies or juice. You can as well discard it if you don't have any use of it. Now get a clean pot, pour in the liquid into the pot. Place on the stove on low heat and continue to stir so it does not get burnt. As you keep stirring and it continues boiling, the liquid begins to thicken up. Then you know your date syrup is ready. Turn off the heat and bring it out of the stove. The syrup gets thicker as it cools down. Once it is cool, pour contents into a clean glass jar and store in the fridge. This can last for a longer period of time. So guys, this is how easy you can make date syrup at the comfort of your home. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time joining us, please subscribe to this channel for more. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video up till this point. I hope you are going to be trying this. Please, if you do, let us know your take on this in the comment section. And again, please remember to share this video with your friends and family. Date syrup is very, very essential for the health. It is a natural sweetener, better than using sugar. So if you have this, there's no point using sugar for your tea or any of your drinks or food. So I would like you to try this out and save yourself of so much sugar in your system. Bye. See you again in my next one.